with the rapid development of manufacture industry. The demands for welding performance and welding techniques are keeping increasing. Under the progress of systemization, customization, and automation of manufacturing field, Hyzon, a company passionate about welding, is founded. Established in 2008, Shanghai Hyzon Welding Equipment Manufacture Company Limited is a leading company in design, manufacture, and sales of welding machines. The company is located in Shanghai Pudong District. With over 26,000 square meters production facilities and over 300 employees. Hyzon is dedicated to quality and innovation. In the past 10 years, Hyzon is certified CCC, CE, and CSA. Our brand, Flamma, recognized and sold worldwide and has the strategic partners all over the world. Our core products have ARC Series, TIG Series, MIG Series, and Cut Series, ARC Series. All the products have been widely used in ships, turbine industry, chemical industry, nuclear power, steel structure, etc. For making welding stronger high quality, we have established the R&D Center with independent intellectual property rights. Right now we have more than 50 engineers who formed a strong technical team with rich experience in product development and fine and efficient R&D ability. In order to control product development, R&D Center interconnect PLM, Product Lifecycle Management System of the whole company, which guarantees that all production procedures from product development to trial production and mass production till after-sale service could be strictly supervised and managed. R&D Center are also equipped with leading testing equipment, including pendulum experiment table, earth resistor testing instrument, resistance and withstand voltage test instrument, leakage current voltage test instrument, rain testing room, flow rate testing instrument, slope test instrument, salt spray test chamber, dust test chamber, high-low temperature chamber, Rodel-Schwartz oscillograph, and electromagnetic radiation conduction testing instrument. Hyzon has many patents for its products, and its R&D Center is considered as authorized high-tech scientific research institutions in Shanghai. In years of development, Hyzon has become one of most professional welding equipment manufacturers at home and abroad. In order to strictly control product quality and follow the development strategy of Industry 4.0, we introduced World Advanced Manufacturing Equipment and built a professional SMT workshop. We have realized the automated production of core components not only improved production efficiency, but also effectively avoided damage during production process. It can guarantee the overall performance of the product. The assembly workshop is equipped with full automatic terminal crimping machines, intelligent load test system, tri-proof coating machines, bending process facility, heat sink process facility, automatic coating line, automatic warehouse, and robotic assembly line, etc. Monthly yield could be more than 50,000 units. Shanghai Hyzon Welding Equipment Manufacture Company Limited. Will aim to serve the global customers with security, cost-effective, high-quality assurance of welding and cutting equipment, drive by innovation, and strive to be one of the global welding industry leaders in the future.